The lighthouse. How many of us stop to consider the challenges of the keeper? Hi, Keeper Bob. Bob will show us the ropes. Now, what about this siren problem we keep hearing about?
I've worked the lighthouse for many years, and as you can see, the sirens can make quite a mess unless discouraged. The frying pan works a treat.
Other tools have been used over the years, but the problem never really went away. Until one day, drop the chips, Jimmy! Rather than using the traditional tools, brave Jimmy tried something else. Jimmy tried kindness and built a bridge between the two worlds. Within a very short period, the Sirens became a famous tourist attraction. People flocked to be photographed. Feed them. To sightsee the rare and exotic. To laugh at the funny antics. Or to even experience flight for themselves.
So now we don't need these tools anymore. Although sometimes I do miss the old days.